Hello. For starting online exam application, just click on to the application. Then application will be opened. After that, you need to enter and password which was provided to you by message. Just log in. The exam available will be listed. From there you can identify the scheduled subject exam. Just click on that exam, like here demo subject. Just click on the demo subject. Then you need to start the exam. Start exam. Then you have to attempt the questions. So your timer is now started. So you will able to see the marks. Just attempt the question, like I am attempting. After assigning a correct answer, just click on save and next. Second, that is descriptive. For this I need to upload image, so I will write the answer on the paper, like, and then click on the image. Then it will open your camera. Just focus your camera onto the answer and then click photo. Just click on right click, then file uploaded successfully, that message will be appear, and just click on save and next. So you can see the image. Just then save and next. Again next question, save and next. Save and next. Again one more time I need to upload the image. For descriptive question I will click on the image area, then just click your answer, right tick, then click on 7 next. You can see the images has been uploaded. So that is the last question, so you need to submit, or else if you want to again recheck your previous question, just click on the red color highlighted sequence number, like third number I will click, so I can review the question, it is correct. Or you can, if you want to change, you can change the option. So in that way you can also jump in between the questions. At the end you need to submit. Click on submit, and the question paper has been submitted. In this way you need to attempt the exam.